What's up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? This is Moto Noir, and DucNYC and I are heading back into the city from Nyack. After a day over at our buddy Johnner, or DucNYC's buddy, I should say, but by proxy, he has become one of my buddies. So now we're heading back into the city. We had a nice little cookout last night. I fell asleep by the fire. I've been so tired recently. I don't know why. So tired. So yeah, I literally fell asleep by the fire last night. And DucNYC had to come shake me and get me to come back into the house. Oh boy. And now I'm feeling kind of groggy today, to be honest. Not a bad morning. Phew! Garbage truck is smelly. Damn. Oof. And now we got about a 50-minute ride home or so. We will definitely get there faster than that, but yeah. And we're off. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, we had beer, we had steak, we even cooked some sausages. We did a little thing last night. We did a little thing. And it was good fun. Always good fun. All right. And hopefully this will be a chill ride home. You never know what you're going to get when you ride with DucNYC. Sometimes he's the most chill rider there is. Others, it's like you're chasing a ghost. So we'll see which one it's going to be today. It's not like I don't know the way home. This one time I was riding back with NYC Scrambler and DucNYC, and we were chilling, you know, nice little chill ride home, and then all of a sudden we hit a little bit of traffic and we're all splitting, and you know, NYC Scrambler and I are not know, not new to doing the whole lane split thing. We're pretty damn good at it, I would say. But this guy, he just dips, starts making moves that I think NYC Scrammer and I, we were talking on the intercom, and we were just like, nope, we're not doing that. And Ducati NYC ends up getting home like 15 minutes faster than we do. It's so funny. Whew. Kind of an odd morning. It's beautiful out, but it's also, I don't know, it's like the air's thick, hazy. Bridge is super cool. Alright. Nyack, New York, goodbye. Hello, Rockland County, or whatever the fuck we're in. Ah, yes, Sleepy Hollow. I love Sleepy Hollow. Especially during, well, obviously during the Halloween months in October. Halloween months? Like it's multiple? Especially during Halloween season. It's just, they do it up in that town. It's super fun. Because of, obviously, the Headless Horseman. I remember when I was a kid, we went to Sleepy Hollow. We did like a haunted hayride out there. And my mom kept telling me, oh, the Headless Horseman's gonna get you, the Headless Horseman's gonna get you. And it freaked me out. It freaked me out. But I remember that there was apple cider, and that was like icing on the cake for me. Apple cider? Heck yeah, please, and thank you. All right. Anyways, I should go back and do that again. A little haunted hayride. Sounds like a good date night. And they have like these beer fests out in Sleepy Hollow too. So some of like the local breweries, you know, they'll do like an Oktoberfest. And those are always great. Woo-wee. it feels nice. Now it feels nice. Getting some air through my jacket, and yeah, now I'm feeling good. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well, all right, kids. I guess this is we're just gonna be on the highway, so nothing too exciting. I'll go ahead and see you guys on the next one. Love you, kids. Love ya, love ya, love ya. Hope you all have a good one.